Hello, welcome to the Easy English Game Show, Guess the Slang Word, where contestants battle it out to guess the meaning of typical British slang words. For this episode, I called out for professional language experts. Oh look, here comes some now. Easy German. Thank you, Easy German team. Now wave hello to our audience. So, here are the rules. I will read out British slang words and you must guess the meaning or give an example of how to use the word. So, let's check our contestants' buzzers. Cari? And now Janusz. Okay, here we go. Hands on buzzers. The first word is the adjective minging. Janusz.
I get carried out from my emotions. I don't know. It's mixing up with the crowd, don't?
That's mingling.
No, yeah.
Okay, I say it's mixing up with a crowd. Minging, like mixing.
Minging is actually an alternative to the word disgusting or gross. And here's an example of how to use it.
It looks minging.
Word 2. The adjective dodgy. Janusz.
I know.
Dodgy is like somebody avoiding something, like dodging a question.
Ha!
Cari.
Dodgy means something that is kind of like... It's... I'm lacking the English words to describe it. So it's like... Seems a little awkward or not trustable. Like, you can get... Maybe like a scam email can be dodgy.
That's correct. In British slang terms, dodgy can be used to describe someone who is untrustworthy or for something that is likely to fail or cause problems.
Woo! 1 point for me. Woo! I'm now warmed up, Janusz. And you?
No, I'm still pretty cold.
The third word is the verb chunder. Janusz.
I thought it would be this guy in Friends.
Chandler.
Chandler. Chandler is...
Chanda.
Chandler is to subscribe to a gym and not going there, but paying for years on.
Good guess. Maybe chanda is like to bargain.
Oh, nice.
Just a guess.
So the melodic word chunder, meaning to vomit or to be sick, is mainly used in correlation with being drunk.
They that's Brits, you know. They have an own word for puking under the influence of alcohol.
Yeah.
Germans don't have that. We just have 80 words for drinking alcohol, but nothing of it contains.
But no, people don't puke so much after alcohol because it's only like teenagers.
Only teenagers do, and
Yeah,
British people apparently.
yeah, they don't know the boundaries.
Janusz, I think I'm on the winning side.
Yes, you are winning.
But at least you have a beer.
You're winning so much that you will get tired of winning. All right.
Okay, word 4 is the noun fluke. Janusz.
fluke is when sometimes slips between your fingers.
When what?
When something slips. Like when I carry a bottle and it fluked my fingers.
It's a noun. Okay, let me take a guess.
Cari.
A fluke is someone like someone I can't trust. It's like a strange person.
Wrong.
A fluke is something caused by chance or luck. Something or someone can also be described as being fluky, and here's an example of how to use it.
Whoa!
What a fluke. So, word 5 is the adjective chuffed.
It's
Chuffed.
chuffed.
Janusz.
Chuffed is like men up. Like chaff is this hooligans on the street. Like this, isn't it? Oh. Okay, so now your turn. Your turn.
That's pretty mean because this is something very German. You put a needle into an egg in order to help it boil without sticking to the
Without
whatever.
exploding.
So if you hit it like this, you actually get a needle into your hand.
Yeah.
Thanks for your professional buzzers, easy English.
Cari.
Schaft means drunken.
Wrong.
Chuffed is a way to describe your happiness. The 6th word is the noun cuppa.
Cuppa? No one of us wants to compete anymore. Okay, cuppa is like Tupperware, but with a C. So it's Tupperware made out of cup with cups.
Copper.
Copper. Oh, it's Tupperware made out of copper. But it's a good guess, huh?
So cuppa comes from the phrase a cup of. The implied meaning can only be attributed to a cup of tea. A cuppa is so hardwired into British slang that the word tea is not even needed. This word even featured in our last video, which is available to watch in the link up here.
Ah,
It can only be for tea.
Word 7, the noun
this is not funny.
ledge.
Ledge. Ledge.
Janusz.
It's being lazy and
It's a noun.
yes. Oh, that's
Laziness.
It's like sledgehammer, but without s.
It's a shortened word.
Legend.
Yeah.
Cari.
It's a short word for legend.
No, wrong.
Correct. The word ledge is a shortening of the word legend. A legend is someone who is well known, often for doing something great or incredible.
I was faster with this, you know? It's just like...
Oh, I like
Mine! I'm ready.
So the 8th word is the noun wanker. Ooh, I think we need a slow-mo replay. Janusz.
Wanker is in German Wichser. He's a wonker. He's a vixer.
Yeah, but that's not an explanation in English. So now you
No?
have to explain in English what the...
Wonker is like you would call somebody.
Like the literal meaning?
The literal meaning is to masturbate, and
And the metaphorical meaning?
it's to be a annoying person.
Hmm.
Janusz, can you give me an example of how you'd use the word?
Shut the fuck up, you wonker.
Janusz, can you talk a little bit more?
British.
Children might be watching.
So, shut up, you little wonker. It's for children now.
Janusz. Oh. Give us more. Give us more.
Shut up.
Us more.
Hands on buzzers. The next word is the noun bloke. Janusz.
It's a person, a guy, a fellow.
Word 10 to win the game. The adverb bloody. Janusz.
Yeah, it's a bloody situation. It's a stupid situation. F***ing situation.
Can be like a bloody awesome evening.
Exactly. This intensifier, a word that puts stress or importance on another word, is a mild swear word and is popular British slang to give emphasis, similar to the word very.
Cari has won. Cari has won. Cari has won.
Congratulations to Cari as today's winner. Goodbye, Easy German team.
Bye!
Thanks for watching our video about British slang words. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to practice all your newly learned slang words, join our exclusive chat on the Easy English Patreon page. It's bloody good stuff.
When I win, we'll have a romantic dinner at the sea.
Oh, that's nice.
You should not want it because otherwise there's no.
Oh, how boring! Oh, Jesus Christ! I hope she's not going to win.